What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you for tuning in again. I have a few more pickups that I wanted to show you guys and just remind everybody of the giveaway. I have this first shoe right here is actually my double up. I told you guys about this. I hit retail on Hibbett Sports. Extremely excited that I was able to hit for retail on these. I'm gonna make this video short, just like maybe 5-6 minute video, but really excited about this retail pair, you guys. I have my other pair on the shelf, but here you go, right here, straight from Hibbett Sports, you guys. The UNC Jordan 1. You already know what it is. Beautiful shoe. Yeah, was able to get on Hibbett at 9 a.m. and hit these for retail, you guys. Extremely happy that I was able to hit. But let's just move on. You guys seen those already on the channel, and this is another shoe that I unboxed on the channel, but I didn't realize it was part of the All-Star pack that came out like for All-Star weekend, and it's actually All-Star black and white mid right here, and it looks very similar to the Jordan 1 high twist, because I saw pictures of those recently, and it's like almost the same exact concept, black and white, but the twist is a high and it's a women's shoe. But yeah, another pretty decent shoe there, mid. And then these next two are dunks, you guys. This one, I went in the finish line yesterday. I heard they had a restock on the UNCs. I rushed in there to see if I could get me a pair, and I wasn't able to, but the employee there was nice enough to go in the back and throw me one of these, you guys. It is the All-Star dunks right here. You got the really cool All-Star like NBA holographic, whatever you call it, little tab here. It's really cool. It's a mint green, black bottoms, you guys. Pretty decent shoe, and then the leather is actually pretty nice on it. It's tumbled, lightly tumbled, not crazy tumbled, but yeah. This is a grade school pair. And then the last pair, you guys, is another pair of dunks I was able to get at finish line, and this was also this is a grade school pickup. It's the Syracuse's that just came out recently. It's a pretty decent shoe, you guys. Check it out over here. Just a orange and white shoe, orange bottom. No crazy details on it except for maybe just the stitching on the back, and then you got Nike on the tongue. Nothing crazy. But yeah, dunks are definitely the wave, and I feel like they're starting to slow down a little bit, but you know, if it's a collaborative effort when it comes to dunks, obviously they go for way more. But these basic dunks right here, these were like 90 bucks, and maybe reselling for like, you know, maybe like 60, 70 more, and I sell on Goat a lot, so I'm making even less. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, I'm going to remind you of the giveaway. I'm giving away my sand taupes right here. Just appreciate the continued support as always. And you guys, you have to go back to one of my old videos that I did. It was the 5K mystery box video. Comment on that video and like the video, and of course subscribe to the channel, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. So yeah, you guys, really appreciate everybody watching. I hope everybody's staying safe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.